What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And ladies and gentlemen, we are out at the shop, and I mean, good God, there's a lot going on. We got to dive right in. All right, first of all, I found out that the guys over at the Eastwood Company, they're fans of the channel apparently. So shout out to all the guys at the Eastwood Company. But they're like, do you guys need some tools for the new shop? And I was like, are you freaking kidding? Dover, do we need tools or do we need tools?
Always.
So we're not actually using these today, but we had to get them out and check them out because they're new. We got the fender roller here, which we'll probably need to start with my car because it's bad. I think most of the other cars are already done. But then we got something else here, which actually we'll get to use this today.
Maybe.
Possibly. We'll see. But this is the entire brake flaring tool kit. Holy God, we got
everything.
We got a heat gun. We got a bleed. Oh my God. We got a bleeder kit. What is this here?
Oh no, man, it just keeps coming, huh?
This is look at that tubing straightener.
Oh, nice.
I mean, oh my God.
Yes, sir.
So huge shout out to the Eastwood Company. If you're not familiar with the Eastwood Company, you got to check them out. But they sell everything for like restorations and like these brake kit, like a lot of tools, and I don't even know what this is. Okay, so that's like angle finders, like tubing bender. Holy God, guys, this is freaking awesome. Trust me when I say you'll get to see all of these in use, and I'll have a link in the description if you want to check out some of these parts. All right, guys, so here we go. We got to get back on it. If you caught the last upload when we pulled the Windsor out of Corey's 85.
A little bit more, come on up.
And you remember this car? We've got it in here, and hold on, let's see if you can see it. It's up in the air because we're doing quite a bit of other stuff, but yeah, engine is already in. Uh-oh. Yeah, Dover, you're a little taller. There's the motor. You can see it. It is in. They've been busy this week. So it's bolted up. We got exhaust on here. We got an 8.8. What are you doing on the 8.8 back here?
Put a 410 in it.
Oh yeah, so 410s.
Probably unit shot.
So we're doing all new hardware, bearings, gears.
That's a 79. It's been sitting a long time.
Corey is
Paint the diff coat. Detailing, man.
okay, detail. I'm with you. So yeah, getting this car all together. It's gonna be sick, and he's actually got some 10th anniversary. Now look at these ET streets. Yeah, she's gonna hook up pretty good. Those are gonna look sick on this build. I really dig it, especially on this old school car. It's gonna look good. All right, guys, and this is something Corey had made for the shop. Hold on, let me pick it up here so you can actually see it. Corey had this made for the new shop, which I'm about to take you out to. This is sick. I'm dying here. I've got to have one for my garage. But that is absolutely sick. And speaking of the new shop, I got to show you the new shop. So, Dover, are the floors done?
Done.
Oh yeah. Guys, we haven't even been out here to check out the new shop. Wow. Dude, that gray. Wow. So this is it, guys. If you are a patron subscriber and you're in the 500 in the drawing, this is where your car is going to be built, right here. Look at this floor. Wow. Can you hear me now? Yes, sir, ladies and gentlemen. This is the new shop. The floor is done. It's all epoxy. I mean, clean it up, wipe it up. No stains, no messes. This is wicked. All LED lights. I mean, it is like daylight in here. Got the roll-up door is on. It's gonna be sick, guys. I'm telling you. There's so much epic-ish going on out here, guys. I'm telling you, I'm so pumped. Even though cold weather's coming in, we're gonna be out here in this shop with a ton of builds making it happen, so I ain't even worried about winter right now. All right, so I got to shout Cody out because Cody and I were having a conversation a while back.
Yeah.
I don't think we even got it on camera.
No, we didn't.
But we were talking about... Well, anyway, let's just check it out.
Yeah.
And drop me a comment below if you get this, because if you don't get this, you're not cool and you're banned from the videos. You're totally banned. If you don't know what that is, drop a comment below if you know what that is. If you don't, you're just banned. But Cody actually found and got me this wallet. There are children that watch this, so I'm going to refrain, but there it is, ladies and gentlemen. And Cody, you've already got one. Where's yours?
Heck
Cody's
yeah.
already got his broken in. Look at that.
Boom.
That is wicked.
Yes.
I love it. Now here's the thing, Corey.
Yeah.
Do you have one of these wallets?
No, but I'm getting one.
You got to get one, dude.
Yeah, it's on.
You got to be in the club.
Cody, you're getting me one.
That's how we roll.
I've got to be a bad...
What?
Yep, boy.
We got to get Dover one, but we're not getting Ken one. Ken, I don't think.
I don't think he's. I don't
No.
think he qualifies.
He
you know?
couldn't pull it off.
No.
They just, yeah.
No.
So, Ken, I'm sorry, but no wallet for you, sir. All right, guys. So we actually got 60s today, which has been a really nice change of pace because we had snow earlier in the week. But let's see real quick what's popping off of the shop. Got Cody's supercharged GT, and then this Edge car. This Edge car is actually for sale here locally, but this is the one that Ken was going to build and ended up not. This just got stock motor in it. We kind of put that one back together. And then of course Corey's car. This is the Grudge car that's coming. You saw that upload the other day. And then of course the SSP with the new heads cam engine. Let's see if we can fire it up. Oh, keys are in it. That means we gotta fire it. All right, here we go. Hopefully it doesn't roll. All right, let's listen to that cam just for a second. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Little SSP. Now, we actually do have some parts for the little SSP. Right back in here, I'm going to show you real quick what we'll probably be doing here soon. If I can find it. There it is. If you can see, way up in there. Yep. And then, of course, this right here too. So, those may or may not be going on the SSP. Stay tuned to the channel. Tearing it up.
Getting ready to paint?
Yes, sir. Of course, we got the 410, right?
Yes.
410 already installed.
New brakes.
Dover's popping in all the new bearings. Got the old ones popped out. Now, which rear end is this one? Did this come in it?
Yeah.
Okay. For some reason I thought it had 7.5 in it.
Nope. Two fingers.
No more. Cody, you gonna go send it a little bit?
A little bit.
Yeah.
It's not mine, so I'm not going to go too
You
hard.
just want to pilot that little cam fox body, don't you?
Yeah. First cam fox body I put. Yeah.
You gotta love that sound though.
Oh, yeah.
Okay guys, so just to kind of recap a little bit what we're doing here with Corey's little hot rod. Here is the front bumper cover. Corey, this is off of 86, right?
Correct. 86 GT.
86 GT front nose is going on the 79 right there. So there's the nose. And then front wheels. These are going to look really good. The 10th anniversary replicas. Got some nice meaty tires for the front. And of course, the big meats, the 275 40s for the back. Deep dish anniversaries. These, yeah. Plenty meaty on the back of the Fox. Of course, she's got 410s. It's a T5 trans, Corey?
Correct. Yeah.
Okay. And then, of course, you saw the Windsor earlier. So, this car is going to be super fun. And, Corey, you're going to let me drive it?
That's
At least
correct.
once or twice?
Yes, sir.
But I mean, it's gonna get paint, so you're gonna get to see this little car kind of evolve. And no, we're not leaving it purple or pink or whatever you call it, but it's gonna be awesome. So stay tuned for that. And we're also getting parts together for his Turbo Coyote build. If you didn't see that video, go back and watch that. That's where the WINDSOR and all these parts came from. So if you love epic builds and you love seeing them go from 0 to hero, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Please give me a big thumbs up. So much win out here. I'm telling you guys. I got so much coming for you. It's going to be awesome. Later.